Real estate is all about speed and connection. So today, I'm going to show you guys how to build a custom GPT for real estate agents that will help you qualify leads, answer buyer questions, and book showings 24/7. But what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is Marketing with Dev. Make sure you guys leave me a like, comment, subscribe, and hit those bell notifications so you can be notified when I drop new videos just like this one. And if you're a business owner or an entrepreneur and you want to learn how you can use AI marketing to generate more leads and sales for your business, then click the link in the description and get instant access to my ultimate ChatGPT prompt pack for business owners and content creators. But let's get right back into the video. So the first thing that we need to do is get the knowledge doc. So we need a basis of information that our GPT is going to pull from to be able to answer questions. So this is what our prompt is going to be. Act as the owner of a real estate firm that operates throughout the United States. Create a comprehensive knowledge document that I can upload to a custom GPT to help with lead generation, frequently asked questions, customer support, and service recommendations. The knowledge doc should include a brief overview of the business, who it serves and what it does, frequently asked questions and answers, service or product list with pricing estimates or ranges, lead capture prompts, customer support information, booking or appointment scheduling instructions, any seasonal tips or industry-specific advice to help educate customers. And now let's submit this and let's get our doc. And as you guys can see, in literal seconds, we are getting our information, right? So if this is you, or maybe if you don't own a real estate firm, or maybe you're just a real estate agent, same thing, you would just change that in your prompt, right? And then you will get a different output out there. But whether you're a real estate agent or you own the firm, it's going to apply for you the same. So going into this now, as you guys can see, business name, location, services offered, target market. This is just giving us, random stuff because we're not an actual business. This is just an example, but you would tailor this to be exactly how your business is, so it can be as accurate as possible when it's responding to actual prospects and things like that. So let's just go through this quickly. As you guys can see, bunch of information that they have here. So now what we're going to do is copy this, and then we're going to paste this into a Google Doc. And then we're going to save that as a PDF because we're going to have to upload that knowledge doc later on. And now after you do that, now let's make a description. So now create description for this custom GPT. And we get introducing our real estate expert GPT, your personalized assistant for all things real estate, whether you're buying, selling, renting, or investing. This AI-powered assistant is designed to help you navigate the real estate market with ease, get tailored advice, find properties, and receive expert recommendations in seconds. With this GPT, you can, and it's going to go over all the things you can do. But again, if you were a real estate agent, then you would tailor this differently. You would tell them where you're located, and then, all of this would be depending on the information that you provide to ChatGPT. So don't think just because you're a real estate agent that this can't work for you as well, just because of what you're seeing on the screen. Now, the next thing that we're gonna have to do is get our instructions. So we have to give this GPT instructions to follow so it's not doing anything crazy, right? Now let's make this prompt. Now create instructions for this custom GPT. And welcome to the Real Estate Expert GPT. This AI assistant is designed to provide comprehensive real estate guidance, lead generation, and customer support. Here's how to make the most of this GPT. And then it's just going through all of the steps: start a conversation, provide real estate information, lead capture process, scheduling appointments, property showings, provide seasonal tips and industry advice, customer support and follow-up, response guidelines. And again, as I said, if you're a real estate agent, you can tailor these to do anything that you want, or even if you're a real estate firm and you want to do some things that are different that you don't see here, you can tell this to do whatever you want, and it will create a bot that does exactly that. So it's definitely pretty cool. And again, we're going to copy this, paste this, because we're going to need this later. So let's do that. And now let's get a conversation starter. Now create a conversation starter. Hi there, welcome to your real estate firm's name. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, rent, or invest in real estate, I'm here to help you every step of the way. What can I assist you with today? Are you looking for a new home, office space, or perhaps an investment property? So we can again copy that, because now we're going to have to go paste this. And now that we have all of our assets, what we're going to do is go to the top left and press open sidebar. We're going to go to explore GPTs. Then in the top right, we're going to go to create, and we're going to make sure we're under configure. And then now we are going to put in all of the information that we got from ChatGPT before, right? Now that we got all of our assets. So we start with the name. I believe the name was Real Estate Expert GPT. Can't really remember, but that's what we're gonna go with here. So now the description, right? Remember that description that we got earlier. We're going to just paste that from where we have it from before and paste that in there. And now for our instructions, we are going to do the same thing. So let's paste that. Good. Same thing for our conversation starter. I'm going to copy it from where we had it before and then just paste it right in. And again, you can change this to be whatever you want. For knowledge now, we want to upload our knowledge document. Make sure that's in there, and then you will be good to go. You can also add your picture at the top if you want. But now let's test this out, right? So, hi, can you help me get a rental property? Let's see how much this can answer. So absolutely, I'd love to help you find a rental property. To get started, you just need a few quick details from you. 1, your name. 2, email and phone number for follow-up. 3, preferred locations. 4, type of property. 5, your monthly rental budget. 6, moving date. 7, any must-have features. Example, number of bedrooms, pet-friendly, parking, etc. Once I have the info, I can start matching with available rental listings and schedule a showing if you like, ready when you are. So you guys can see how powerful this tool is. I'm not going to go through all of this because obviously this is just an example, but if somebody was, you would be able to do that, right? So what you're going to do next is go to the top right. Now that we know this is working and functioning, you can test this as much as you want, ask it as many different questions as you want, make sure it's following the rules. You go to the top right, create. You can share this with only yourself, anyone with the link, or you can share it to the GPT store. That is completely up to you. So we're going to save that. And you guys, you're going to want to put this link everywhere, put it in the link in your bio, put it on your website, because you can send people here now. So instead of them having to bug you with these questions, you have a place where they can, ask these questions. And now, the AI isn't going to get annoyed. It's literally what it was created to do, right? So it's definitely pretty cool there. Imagine this custom GPT turning your DMs into deals. It's the virtual assistant you didn't know you needed. And if you want me to build a custom version like this for yourself or for your company, then leave a comment below or click the link in the description and schedule a time to talk with me about it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, then make sure you guys leave me a like, comment, subscribe, and hit those bell notifications so you can be notified when I drop new videos just like this one. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.